These earrings are so beautiful. Let's get started making these beautiful earrings. You're going to need 2 earring wires, 2 head pins. These are 2 inches. You're going to need 2 jump rings. These are 5 millimeters. I cut a piece of chain. This is 3/4 of an inch. 2 pearls. These are fairly large. These are 10 by 14, center drilled from top to bottom. You're going to need 2 citrine little nuggets. And for tools, you'll need chain nose pliers, flush cutters, round nose pliers, and bent chain nose pliers. I already made one earring. Now let's make the other one. So first what I do is I take my 2-inch head pin and I'm going to put it right through the center from top to bottom. I'm going to put my crystal on. Then I'm going to take my other head pin and put my citrine nugget on. Let's wire wrap the citrine nugget using our chain nose pliers, pinching it at the top, bringing the wire to the back, coming in with my round nose pliers, and coming up, over, down, rotating my pliers and bringing the wire to the back. Now I'm going to pinch down the loop that I just made, come in with my bent chain nose pliers, and I'm going to wire wrap around. And then I'm going to cut off the excess. And pinch down my burr. We're going to wire wrap this the same way. We're going to come in with our chain nose pliers, pinching it at the top right above the crystal, bringing the wire to the back, coming up, over, down, rotating our round nose pliers and bringing the wire to the back. Now we're going to pinch the loop down that we just made, come in with our bent chain nose pliers, and wire wrap around. It looks like I can go 4 times with this one. Now I'm going to cut off the excess. Pinch my burr. Okay, now let's start putting it together. So I'm going to get my chain nose pliers. I'm going to open up a jump ring by turning it to the left. I'm going to put my little nugget on. I'm going to put my chain on, and then I'm going to put my earring wire on. Close it up, give it a pinch. Now I'm going to open up my second jump ring, same way, turning to the left, putting it through my pearl, and adding it to my chain. And then I'm going to close it up, giving it a pinch. Thanks for joining me. See you again next time.